This is Malaysia, a 3,800 hectare palm plantation. Harvesting, collection, transport, spraying, everything once relied on people walking the field. If vehicles are to operate here, there is only one first step: plan the roads. Oil palm is Malaysia's largest edible oil crop. In 2025, it contributes about 10 billion USD, roughly 2.5% of Malaysia's GDP. Globally, it accounts for 1/3 of world edible oil production. The key value is the opportunity cost. The drone data helps identify low productivity areas, and it allows early corrective actions, enhance yield recovery. Compared to traditional surveys, drone mapping is far more cost-effective and accurate, and it provides a better visual data for planning, costing, and estate operations.
We use Orthophotos, digital terrain models, and contour data to optimize road access and ensure all oil palms are reachable for harvesting, maintenance, and fertilizations. DEM and contour data help us detect hanging terraces and natural water flow. This enables us to level terraces for vehicle access, design effective drainage, and align roads on higher ground to reduce erosion and maintenance costs. LiDAR mapping significantly changed our approach to mechanization. It reveals terrain conditions beneath the canopy, allowing precise planning for terrace modification and road expansions. This data-driven approach reduces uncertainty, improves budgeting accuracy, and lowered overall costs.
To cover 4,000 hectares, the main challenges are maintaining stable connectivities and placing ground control points in difficult terrain. In the past, it took us 2 weeks using L2. Now, it only takes about 2 days, using 2 flights per 1,000 hectare block, with each flight lasting about 40 minutes. The workflow involves placing GCPs, capturing LiDAR data and images, processing the data, and delivering Geo-Referenced map, as well as analysis layers for planning and operations. The biggest value of LiDAR mapping is replacing guesswork with clarity, allowing managers to understand and act on their plantation data in hours instead of days. The most valuable outcome for plantation operations is clear visualizations that enables fast, confident, and data-driven operational decision making.